My name is Hannu Anttila and welcome to Multitouch at Infocom 2012. Behind me you see a fantastic installation we call the Oblique Wall. It's based on 6 of our Multitaction Cell 55-inch displays, and they are connected in this asymmetric way smoothly, so you can actually manipulate objects and across the screens without problem. There is a menu that comes with when you hold a finger on here, and you can see in here, for example, our customer cases. The whole setup is showing how multiple users can interact at the same time in front of a large installation. Furthermore, this wall also reads objects, so it can identify myself with a physical card. I'll place it here on the screen, and here comes my picture. And because this is a fun installation, we can actually start improving it a bit. So we can widen the nose, we can improve on the eyebrows, maybe the ears as well, and then take off something from here. Thank you.